movie. Right now on the grind, 365, don't want no coochie. I can't get.
I mean, we got
Yeah, Jank. He look at him. He's so nice. Chad, that bitch is nice. Bro, look at this little brother. Look at the little brother. It's the little brother right here. Test this out.
I'm not shooting my hollows.
Yeah, no. Hell no. Only good. Alright, so load mine up and get out here, man. Okay.
Get on the floor, you blink backy, bitch!
Let me see how y'all.
That's the same spot.
Shit, you got some misses. It's alright though. It's alright. First round. Yeah, first round.
I'm trying to see something. That bitch, I hit film.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Okay. Cool, chat. Oh shit. Gotta tell you later.
Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm all ready. Appreciate you, bro.
Yeah, and you gotta control that bitch too. You coming? And he hit the nigga in his temple.
In his temple.
Oh my God! No misses.
No miss.
Damn, Chad. He had some shit to let off. Let's forget that aim.
Right circle, okay? We'll stuff that box up. Real lunch or something. You got a Glock too?
Yeah.
What did you get? I'm on my 5th 19 right now.
You on your 5th 19? Yeah. I like Glocks. I ain't gonna lie. That nigga learn how to.
No whites.
Yeah, that's how you looking though. That's good. That's all that matters. You hitting body first.
You just bought that or you have it?
Oh no, I ran into it.
You read it? You
Yeah.
want to try shooting this? That's a 19.
Ooh, yeah, I want to try that one. Yeah, I want to try that one.
Have you shot one before?
before?
Yeah, not suppressed.
Not
I got a
suppressed.
19 though.
Yeah, I want to try that one.
Oh, you got a 19?
Yeah, I got a
Try
19.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Let me try. Let me see you shoot it first, then I'm gonna do it. I ain't never shot a suppressed shot. Wow.
There you go.
Wow.
Hey, look, do one of these.
And it's way louder, man. That's crazy.
You gonna try at it?
I gotta get it some
Yeah, I want to try that. I ain't
It's
gonna
so
lie.
smooth.
Oh yeah, you got the weight. You got all that weight.
Yeah, like it take away all that, bro. I like that.
I gotta try that.
I like that.
The only thing is this gets loose sometimes.
Yeah.
This way.
A little hot, but
Yeah, when it get hot and shit.
Can I shoot your 43?
Go ahead. Shit.
You can take it down.
yeah.
Let's go. I love the sound of it. That was fire.
That's crazy. First on the I ain't gonna lie.
So pressure.
Yeah. That shit low, bro. That bitch got pain to it. Look at it, Chad. That shit nice, bro.
They really said them bitches snappy. That bitch is
Yeah, it is.
I didn't know
This is snappy.
it's snappy as hell.
Yeah, you just gotta change your hand. Me, I had to change my hand grip.
Way different from a 19 though.
I'm gonna have to try it.
This is nice. You got this one?
Yeah, you go ahead, try it. You can test that one too. Huh?
Oh, it's a 43.
Oh, it's a 43. I see. I thought it was
you got a
19.
43,
Yeah, I thought you said it was a 19 like yours.
Set it down like that. You put the case
You can try it out. You can try it. 'Cause I ain't got the hang of it. I gotta
You
get.
got there 5?
Huh?
I'm gonna run it empty.
Yeah, you can.
happy staple target, but set your shooting at 12 gauge, payment target like that for less splatter. Just your light switch down here, motion control switch right here.
That bitch nasty.
Yeah, it's got a.
Yeah, that's it. Got that. That's why I thought I was tripping.
No. You
Yeah.
gotta practice more with it.
That's what I.
Practice.
I thought I was tripping. I'm gripping on that motherfucker. I'm like, it got.
What do you mean by that?
It got a.
It does.
Yeah.
Well, you got the shorter barrel.
Uh huh.
I'm not an expert or anything, but
But you know something.
tell the
Yeah.
difference.
Yeah. You know you know something for sure.
yeah.
Cause I said that. All right, Chad. I'm gonna get back to
Thanks,
shooting it. Yeah, nice meeting you.
Thank you, bro. That take away the recoil. I like it.
Cause mine's got a lot of recoil on it. My shit's on mine. Oh my god, Chad.
That one you don't gotta keep pushing the thumb down. Just keep pumping it.
Curves in.
You gotta rack it.
Bracket.
Learn this shit, man. You gotta get fuller.
Do 10, and then put it down. Safety. Then you can do 10.
I guess
Bet.
there's no point
10,
in
10, 10.
taking
All right.
around in it.
When you do your 10, put that safety on. Pull it back.
Safety is up.
Yeah, go ahead, shoot it.
But,
Can I see safety?
Safety.
Okay.
but just pull this back.
You don't
Just
gotta
send it.
press down on that.
To load it.
You just gotta pump it.
Look at the red dot first.
I finished it off, by the way.
Okay.
You'll save the subsonics for you.
You see the red dot?
Hell yeah.
That's when you feel comfortable though and load it. got there you go. That's live now, so as soon as you put that down, you can keep shooting.
Okay. So it ain't no safety, right?
It's
Yeah, I got
It's no safety, okay, but it's okay. I ain't got to cock it back.
You studying that red dot? That's what I did first too. Hey, he made me feel like I'm in Call of Duty.
That bitch cold, bro.
That bitch too good too. There you go. Yeah, I gotta get one.
Empty? Yeah, it's empty. That bitch is beautiful.
I gotta get one, bro.
Now come over here, Chad.
We back to the 43X, man.
This is new. This a new view right here. You feel me? Beautiful. You see that right there?
Beautiful.
That bitch beautiful. Charcoal
Man.
gray, you hear me?
That bitch getting put to work today.
That bitch, yeah, that bitch gonna be hot today. I ain't gonna lie.
You gonna let it sink? Where you hit him at?
No, shit, you been busting this bitch out. I don't know. I think right
Yeah,
there.
yeah, you got him in his spine.
Yeah, right there. And I think over here in these whites. It gotta be me in that white. This bitch though, it don't make your shit.
I know.
You gotta shoot mines. Mines make your shit do like that.
For real?
This bitch
I'm gonna
beautiful.
rack your shit up.
This bitch is beautiful, Chad. Oh my God. 10 out of 10 for this, I ain't gonna lie. And a K2. 10 out of 10 with the K2. I ain't gonna lie to you. I for sure gotta get a K of 10.
I gotta get a K.
I gotta get a K of 10, bro. With the beam on it, it's crazy.
I got you, bro.
Oh my
For
God.
the year over.
Man, bro.
There you go.
Man, Chad, I got another paper over there, but ain't no way in hell I'm going to get it. I'm cool. I'm about to find out. I gotta tell them it's over there. Yeah, you gonna see it. You gonna see that shit. I was trying to say, brother. All right, this side. Okay, man. I can't take my earbuds off. Check this line. It's I ain't gonna lie. That little bitch got a jerk to it.
love it. I swear to God.
That little bitch got a jerk to it, bro. Swear to God.
do it,
Yeah,
bro.
you was controlling that bitch.
That's
bro,
how we
you
do
was.
that, bitch.
You was for sure controlling that bitch. He said it's a Glock 43.
No,
or
it's the
something.
same one as mine.
Oh yeah, but it's like
Yeah.
okay. That
Yours,
bitch.
this not an MOS though. Mine's MOS.
Yeah, okay. That bitch got a kick to it, bro.
Fuck with that bitch.
Damn, man. I'm gonna get back out here in the field, man.